G'day guys, Alex Ryan here. Welcome back to another video. If you're looking to start an Amazon business, perhaps you're sort of thinking or asking yourself, is there too much competition with Amazon, right? That might be something that you might be asking yourself, right? Is there too much competition? Are there too many sellers right now with Amazon? Well, the answer to that is, think of it this way, right? When eBay came out many years ago, people were asking the exact same questions. They're asking, all right, is there too many eBay sellers? There's too much competition. It would never work for me. And the same thing's happening with Amazon. People are questioning and doubting and not too sure whether or not it's going to work. Well, let me tell you one thing, right? I would say every month there is about 50 to 100 new products. People aren't jumping on these products. There's a lot of room there. If you can jump on a product before, I suppose, the top best sellers can jump on it, right? There's a niche for you, all right? So if you can, so what I'm saying is your speed to market. If you can jump on a particular product very fast and put it out there fast, so what I'm saying is fast to market, right? And you can scale up your business very fast, then the answer is no. There isn't too many Amazon sellers out there, right? That's the short of it. If you're looking to start an Amazon business, guys, that's not the only thing to consider. There's a lot of other things to consider. So, for example, the product that you decide to import, you obviously want to import something that has a very fat margin in it for you. You don't want to be selling products that have $2 margins in it or $3 margins, because you've got to consider other costs as well. Costs like advertising, sponsored listings on Amazon, shipping costs, the whole shebang, right? There's a lot of other things you have to consider, as well as marketing costs. Maybe you want to build a little Shopify website on the side. Once you build up your brand, you want to have a little Shopify website as well. So a lot of other things you have to consider as well. So guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're looking to start an Amazon business, maybe you're looking to find hot products, maybe you're sort of unsure about the products that you decide that you want to sell on Amazon, then definitely check out my website. I've got a good little free video program there showing you how to get started, how to identify hot products. Check it out. And if you have any questions, definitely drop me a line, and I'm happy to help. Guys, talk to you later. Have an awesome day. See you later.